What are you looking for?
Where's that?
Dude, it's over there.
I don't remember asking you anything.
We good? Randall, we good?
Oh yeah, we're good.
Hey, what's going on, everyone? So today, we're actually changing things up a little bit. Today's video is made possible by AuxBeam. So we actually have partnered up with them for this video. They sent us this very nice set of fog lights and wiring harness to install on one of our cars. So since the only car with a front bumper on it right now is a Supra.
And the fog lights don't work.
And the fog lights don't work. This is our chosen vehicle.
Wins by default.
Yeah. So, AuxBeam is basically a light company. They have headlights, fog lights, light bars, anything your lighting heart desires, they have. So yeah, like I said, they helped us out with these fog lights, and they actually also sent us a set to give away. You can win your very own set of AuxBeam fog lights, light bars, whatever you want to call it. So today we're going to install these and see how they look. And they are very, like, they're really, really good quality. And they come with this nice wiring harness with a switch.
And a relay.
A relay.
And a fuse.
And a fuse. Everything that you need to install on your vehicle of choice. So, if you would like to enter in to win a set of these lights, all you gotta do is just simply like this video, share this video, and comment that you shared it. Each share equals an entry. If you're a Patreon member, you're automatically entered into the drawing. So depending on what tier you are, the amount of money that you pay is how many entries you have. So $2 is 2 entries, $5 is 5 entries, $10 is 10 entries. So if you're not a Patreon member, what's stopping you? But yeah, so all you gotta do is like, share, and comment on this video, and we'll enter you in to win these very nice set of lights. So it seems pretty straightforward on how to install them, I guess, right? We've done this kind of before.
Well,
with the Civic.
They were just ballast.
Yeah. So
that people still comment about.
Yeah.
You forgot the relay.
So what do we gotta do here?
I think, I mean, the wiring's gonna be cake. They actually throw in a nice little
diagram.
Wiring diagram. But we gotta get the old ones off and get the new ones mounted.
If they even fit.
If they even fit.
I told him just to put them in his engine bay, so when he opens up the hood, they turn on. Like, see, this is our SEMA car. It's our SEMA build.
Yeah, I'm sure they're gonna let us right in.
Yeah. Well, I mean, why wouldn't they? We got a big old turb ski in there.
So, I doubt the Ching Chong turbo counts as a big old turbo.
Just write Garrett on it and say, yeah, we're supposed to be in the Garrett booth. All right, so we're gonna make this easier on ourselves. We're gonna throw it up on these here ramps. Oh, it's cold out. You want to back it up a little first?
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna back it up so then we can close the door. Some heat. with work boots on. I wish the fog lights did work the factory, so we can compare them.
Yeah. I just by looking at these, I think they're gonna be
Blinding people.
pretty bright. Well, they might match your headlights now, because you got HIDs. Do you need the instructions? No, I need to get up. All right, so we figured it out. The curved part of the bracket follows the contour of the light, and then that is the bracket you use to attach it to whatever you want to attach it to.
That's too far back. Just right.
I like that they didn't put their logo on the horizontal part, because if I had to mount it like upside down or something like that, it would bug the heck out of me. So the hardware that came with the kit, the bolt that they supplied, is too big for the location that we are using, so we just had to find a smaller bolt and put the mounting bracket on first. That way you can tighten it up. And then attach the light to the mounting bracket. Did it just break?
Huh?
Did it break?
Yeah.
Did it really?
Yeah.
That's nothing new. Now you gotta finagle it to get it in there. It's crooked. It's crooked.
I'm trying to loosen it up so we can adjust it.
It's crooked.
Shut up.
All right, one down, one to go. Pretty simple. I mean, at least on this car, because it already had like a mounting bracket for the old fog light here. So we just kind of reused the same hole. So we don't have to do any like custom work or anything like that. It's pretty simple.
Hand me that pick. Like, sir.
So you just mount them up, wire them up, turn them on. Are you going to wire them in with like your existing fog light switch, or are you going to use the supplied switch?
I'm going to use the supplied switch
Yeah.
because,
You don't know if that switch works?
well, whenever you push it, like
Yeah.
you push the fog light button, all my dash lights go out. So then you got to push it again and they come back on. So I've got a short somewhere in there.
What you need?
Huh?
What do you need?
The other fog light bracket, one of those bolts.
And these don't necessarily have to be used as fog lights. You can actually, like, I guess on Jeeps and trucks and stuff, you can mount them on the roof or on your, what's it called, brush guard. Anywhere you would like. But we're choosing to use them as fog lights because, like we said earlier,
Did you say another one of those bolts?
your mom did.
Ooh, sick burn.
Just gotta take off all them washers and stuff.
It hit your face.
So Randall did a little tuning, if you will, and got it running a little better. What did you do? You leaned it out some?
Should I tell the whole story or just?
Might as well. We got time.
So I took the car out to run some errands. And I got to the red light and it stalled. And it wouldn't idle without me giving it gas. Like it was...
This is after we drove it.
After we drove it and we got the timing set.
Yeah.
It wouldn't idle. Wouldn't do anything. So I was going to take it home and get an old party van. And I decided to play around with the VPC. So I started taking fuel out, and it was a lot happier. So I took out, I think each click is 2. So I took out 8% at idle. Idled a lot better. And then I took out 8% globally, and it was a lot happier. I mean, when I did the NAT GE, I kept it pig rich just because of the higher compression.
Yeah.
I mean, down low, I kept it stoich, like cruising and idle and stuff like that. I didn't do like a lean cruise or burn or anything else. I just did 14.7, it was happy, and then up high I did it.
Ooh. Light to the face.
I like to drop stuff on my face. I don't know why.
All right. Got both of them mounted up. So now I gotta hand him this wrench, and now we just gotta wire them up.
I don't know how to wire.
Very nice wiring harness they included with this. Like I said, it comes with its own relay, its own fuse. Just gotta plug it up and go, I guess. Where'd the switch? And it comes with its own switch, which is pretty sweet.
That's
a nice little.
relays?
Huh?
Did you want 2 relays?
Just one relay and a fuse.
So you gotta buy the relay separately.
Yeah. Yeah, so if you choose to purchase these AuxBeam lights, got to get the harness separate. It doesn't come with the actual fog lights or light bars or whatever you want to call them. They call them light bars because I guess
They're bars of light.
they're bars of light. It's a pretty nice switch. Made of only the highest quality of plastic. So all you gotta do is feed those wires right near your fan so it catches them and then
Well,
locks up the fan. And I'm
Well,
just
what I-
kidding. I'm just kidding.
What I was gonna do was
Don't get so offensive.
I was trying to make a joke and you just completely.
Oh, what were you gonna do?
No, never mind. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Yeah, it's all about what Scott wants.
What were you gonna say for real?
No, forget it.
Oh.
Yeah, you ruined it. I hope you're happy. It was like a really funny joke. It was gonna make the YouTube channel complete.
All right, so we got the wire ran for the switch going through that little hole right there. So that's gonna go inside the interior. I'm gonna shine this light in Randall's face.
Of course.
So what do you got to do for wiring? Anything special?
Black to black, white to white.
Black to black, white to white.
Oh, that's pretty sweet.
What?
It comes with 2 separate, the harness comes with 2 sets of wires.
Oh, nice.
So instead of teaming them together, it's already done.
Oh, nice. Just got to figure out a way to route it.
Make it reach.
Give it that reach.
I gotta put ends on it.
Huh?
I gotta put ends on it.
Gotta put ends on it? What do you mean you gotta put ends on it?
Spade connectors. Strip wire.
What? They didn't include that?
No.
All right. So On the fog lights, it's just got the wire, so you do have to wire in some spade connectors, or connect some spade connectors, so that you can plug them into the harness. But that's pretty simple. Even a caveman can do it. So on the lights, the wires are red and black, so you would just do red to white and black to black.
Nice little sleeve there.
Yeah, that's nice.
Protect it. Huh? How about them apples? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Long enough?
Yeah.
That's what she said.
Yeah, boy.
You alright?
So, before we tie wrap all this crap up,
See if it works.
and make the button permanent.
See if it come on.
Yeah, see if that'll come on. I gotta hook the switch up.
Zap!
Zing!
Ooh, they're amber. Oh, maybe it's got two modes.
2.
Oh! Now they were white.
Okay.
That's pretty cool. I didn't know that. You got amber and white.
Because we all know how Amber's JDM.
Whoa! Gosh! They're pretty bright. Those are some bright lights.
Well, good thing about being in the garage with the door closed, we can.
Adjust them.
Well, not adjust them, but see how bright they are.
That's how bright they are.
It's not like I'm working or anything. It's alright.
Where's the switch? Off. On. It's a, what the heck? What's going on with those lights?
They're about to use power.
That's pretty sweet. So the lights have a bunch of different modes apparently. Go through them again.
Hold on.
So, whoa! That's mode 1. And then you turn it off, turn it back on. You got strobes. Turn it back off, turn it back on. You have amber lights. Turn it back on, turn it back on. And you have amber strobes.
A disco.
That's pretty sweet.
No, I can't see.
Turn the lights on. Ooh.
Whoa!
No, that side's blinking and that's not. That's like emergency lights.
What's going on, man?
I think we're overloading the circuit. Now you got one of each. I'm gonna have a seizure. There you go. All right, so what are your thoughts on the AuxBeam lights?
Pretty bright.
Yeah,
I like them.
yeah. Easy to install.
Straightforward.
Yeah, pretty easy.
Just get the harness.
Yeah, make sure you get the harness.
The harness is nice. It makes it easy.
So that's going to wrap it up for today. Again, thank you to AuxBeam for helping us out with this video. And like I said before, if you want to enter in to win these, just got to like this video, share this video, and comment saying that you shared, and you're automatically entered.
And you can do it on Facebook or Instagram.
Yeah, just share the video wherever you want.
I'm just letting them know.
Yeah.
Don't give me dirty eyes.
But yeah, so thank you again to them. They are having a Black Friday special. I think it's everything's going to be 50% off basically. I'll put links in the description for the lights and the wiring harness and their actual website. Also, there's a channel that we want you guys to check out. Their name is Sleeper Garage. They are K-swapping a Starion.
I know you're upset because you want to be the first.
I knew I wasn't going to be, but I had the idea before I even saw their videos. I had the idea that I wanted to K-swap one, but then like the next day, Google read my mind, and there they were.
So what you're trying to say is they ripped you off?
No, well,
Yeah, you are. Just say it.
they gave me crap about the shirts. I'm gonna give them crap about ripping me off.
Stealing your idea that you told no one.
Yeah. But yeah, go check them out. Like, I'm really excited to see the K-swapped Starion run, and they're getting pretty close. So yeah, link to their channel will be in the description. Subscribe to them, like their videos, and share their videos too, and blah 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 blah. Do all that stuff you're supposed to do. So yeah, like I said, that's gonna wrap it up. Check out our normal websites. Oh, again, Patreon members are automatically entered into the drawing. So go to Patreon and look us up. Links gonna be all of our links are in the description. What are you looking for?
Fun.
It's right there.
Where?
What are you doing?
I want to give a shout out.
Oh, a shout out, huh?
Shout out. So, Haltex.
World Cup finals.
Yep, World Cup finals. The Mark III that won the Super Street class.
Yeah.
He has a channel.
Oh, does he?
Yeah, it is a 2J. But you should still go check. I mean, it's pretty sweet. Come on, a Mark III one. So it's Pel Chat Power Sport.
All right.
Pelchat. So go check them out.
Links in the description.
They've got a video about their World Cup final race where they win. It's pretty sweet. So
Yeah.
big props to them.
Yep. So go check out AuxBeam. Go check out Sleeper Garage, however you want to say it.
Sleeper Garage. I'm sure
Sleeper.
that's where they were
Yeah,
going.
Yeah. And check out, what was that?
Pel Chat.
Pelchat.
Motorsports.
Everything's down below there. So thanks for watching. See you next time.
Keep motoring.